Floodwaters on Thursday afternoon have claimed the life of a Shelocta area man. An identity on the victim has not been provided, but we know the death was due to the flood at 1623 Sportsman's Club Road near the Indiana-Armstrong County line. David Brusda, the assistant chief with the Tunnelton Fire Department, talked about how this happened.
He was with his father. Their pond was flooding, and unfortunately he got pulled into the water and succumbed to the elements.
The Tunnelton-Conemaugh Township Water Rescue Team responded, but by then they could not save the victim. Units from the Clymer Fire Department were also on hand to assist. We'll continue to update you on this story as further developments come in. I'm Josh Whittison for your hometown radio station.